Until now, no, social media has become a no-nonsense place, especially TikTok. In fact, manage nema maybe no TikTok no more manage home pa because Ghana hanum depending on hanum they deserve to be addressed, and TikTok is doing that. Udin ko asma boys ne be addressed, so they will put you to your place. They will put you to your level. Enra, and I'm revealing catcher say Prophet Razak. Yeah, ni abere no the 8 fallen heroes na no e ko promo krabre no. Na opana ejina ho e dwa nanum e ya bose obetimi enya ni wo mu nyina o true challenge so betimi enya ni wo mu nyina sa nsem hunu kwasa so kan ne no ano trouble colors any tiktokers have address my na eya semkuma aha Penyah block media me so say ni die mo over like video no other ma subscribe button so be click bell notification icon no latest update na be kire wa adwon dia ma me e wo comment as me so baso no a share mo force enya bi ahwe enra ene koye state barrier and as a state funeral ema the 8 fallen heroes in April 8 na omu in the helicopter crash abra no mo call launch responsible mining ewo omo call launch responsible mining ewo oboase no enra ana ikopem nyina akrabre na ye kata omachi kra efi atalfo asase so na ehonom no ka tell say program le course no na akwa bi so gina nchen ba bi grant some interview bi a yes na me menti no wase na me menti ase ni ba me kana se Prophet Razak ono na obeka ya Christian achu ya no obetro challenge say obetimanya na achu ama achu hu kura no kum chacha ene ne class say masa ma kan enya no kura da untimi nya
bi opani we pe biala cha person ne so kum chacha me ne ko achu abusuafo kura me ne beko ana ne bia cha ko ade bia wo odimande a wo pe say achu abusuafo mfa ma no me ke wo ha eni mframa mu say sa tuo busuafo anya amane mpa na se wo mu anya sa de no me on kenkyere me matumi apesa ne yama ni nyina ama no na yenko ba bi atu da no na wonko nya no yatu na offer sa wantumi anya no yatu a na wantumi anya no yatu a na nya no obetumi anya no eye no dwa eye politics for the cancer political talk
but prof on say your friend no at that time oba ha no o ka say atu enwi na abusuafo no de boot baako ene kwadu 3 eba say de tie bia no atu 2 weeks time atu ebehun atu organa ha
na wo ma ne boot ni bi
ko ka say menya ma no anu o se eye abusuasem gise abusuafo na ankasa
hwe
eba na omu de banti no odifu me banti no am say ne 3 days asesei ana omu beka se omaduru ba bia na atu eda na omahunu boot atu boot ewo ba bia na oda no ana me bisa no me frɛ no bisa ne se seni na ekoso ana o se senka abusuafo de boot ba ko na odimande ye no eba ya enka omu ehunu ba bia omko hunu atu boot no enka nye boot no no mbehunu banka atu body ana nka omu ebehunu
afa enye no kore
enti no ono o kire se abusuafo no eba ya demand na no opedo oba ya enka obetumi aya machu ayeden aba enti odi fi se de mi bisa won se wo se anya no kore de mi bisa ne se huhu mu nsam na wonyihi ana sesen
na offer sunsun mu nsam no me sof kum chacha sam me di sof wa me ye prophet ye dwuma no na ebi kora na ye nwo no ana ya wo ne kora na afi na wo swa
my hono kra no o ka chire kum jaja say he si aka kum chacha ma ko 4 billion ebomu a omu enwo sira no omu tumi enduru ono no mowele
kan offer me pa che ye di fo trofo ye to so me ye yan shan on portion na yi
kum chacha
dabi
kum chacha ba 4 billion
what's the
name kum chacha ba ko 4 billion omo ngo send me more
me say Prophet Razak na woni mu se o yes panin ye je wo so be ma jaba
kum chacha. That's how going can't mention kum chacha. What do you mean? What does it? Kum chacha. And no kwa. Also because say konfa no cheso. Obetima ko ho. Akonya no mama wu nyina. So two women go ahead and kwa dia ene he. Obeba konfa no che ene sem because say obeba wura mo chiro no mo de. Obewura mo chiro no ma. Obi a wo wu bia be nyankwa.
Person me de adesrede to for setutu anim because yo hene me pa na cho ontie ne ba no ma me kwan o ma me kwan a me che date ansa ma free Kumasi a konfa no che hospital dead body so na me nua no ma ansa ma free ase a come tell you on authority
no na ya go na ni
me pa cha nya go
wani bresem na
e ni bresem na me ka no pe challenge odi for papa bia pe challenge odi for papa bia no kokro bi so a o siki o hene e ma o hene ne de naso dua man sa afi de maji watum kokoye say o hene na mfa naso dua ma wa enye ne sa ana me kra me nkom o kire o dem pese ye to me mpefun ifun pa de nya de me se me udi fun to ansi ameyra me nwane a me nko fun ne ho ene no me ko hye baabi na de me no mpanifo no be kan me nji omu ska bia ni mpanifo no be kan amamre kakra ho on be ye don be ye but ene de me no nkom ne be de be di do mo temase we a me ko hye dem na ma kire mo niam nante me hye dem direct me mo bie mo kire no gate no ba anya se me wo ho ti me ye command ne niam na bi after da wo so mo gungu na ma sorry I'm telling you authority and also for bie no obetuma ka so wo ngo sase po ba me no kasa me wo ngo sase po ya kola ma me
eye po a wo
Paul Bible e boni din tumi ya Yesu Kristo de ma odi adwuma keto ma me be ya de bro de Paul ye no say me tam so me de bro sa she Kristo din no I'm telling you no
de wonu be nyankwa father say de wu bia be nyankwa papa ene enra obetro challenge I say the 8 fallen heroes on onyi ni so omawu onyi ni na ompo ma no kwai o ma no kwai obenya ni omu nyina.
That is why I'm not wearing black, because I don't see that they are dead. I carry the mandate. I carry power, dominion, and authority from above. And I'm ever ready to do that. If only the bereaved family and the people of Ghana will allow me right now, these 6 people, I'll make sure that they'll come out to life and everybody will see. And you clap your hands for Jesus Christ. This is my message. You said?
Bring them back.
You said what?
You have any secret behind that?
Yes. You know, many prophets are outside there saying all kind of things. But the fact is hidden. The death of the cause of their death is a result of disobedience of one man in the NDC party. Let me tell the whole Ghanaians, the NDC party was formed and came into effect by J.J. Rawlings signing with his blood. J.J. Rawlings is dead, right? But he is not happy in the grave where he is now. They said Nana Kunadu Ajuman has killed somebody, has done this, has done that. As I speak to you, the woman is crying, and the spirit of J.J. Rawlings is not happy with the NDC. So the spirit of J.J. Rawlings is fighting back. So if the NDC doesn't wake up, I called one minister. I mentioned the name of Omanibuama and the minister for development, whatever that minister, the Muslim man. I told that minister that these people are going to die, so you should call them and tell them that from that time to the 1 month ahead, they shouldn't travel by air or by land. The minister didn't mind me. I have the text message on my phone. I have a normal call with him, but he didn't listen to me. So when the incident happened, he called me and I cut him back. So the NDC are being misled until they go back to the Nakunadu Ajima Rawlings. The spirit of Rawlings will wipe the NDC off. So what you are seeing today is coming from J.J. Rawlings' blood. The blood that he signed the NDC with is fighting the party because they have left his wife, and the woman is crying.
So what you are saying, please, we witness more than this.
Yes, please.
The woman, she decided to leave the
No,
NDC.
please.
She was not sacked.
Wait. Whether she was sacked or she was not sacked, the party is formed by the husband. So they must make sure spiritually, it's a spiritual mandate. They must make sure.
What's your name?
I'm Prophet Razak. So what you are seeing, I'm Prophet Razak. I'm the founder of Jesus Kingdom Prayer Ministry here in Accra. So this is my message. So if Ghanaians will allow me, these people will never be buried. I'll make sure that they come back to life.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Another video pop up on the internet. Yeah, ni abira Yesu ni suno. No plan say kan kwase asem. And then there are trouble colors. any other TikTokers join conversation o mi papa we onya nkwasi asem yeni abre onya ejime no for crying out loud onya ejime no
Are you ready?
Who be this?
Sanko for it. Memo masamba life. Mem yen kusiyo. Sa asma me kase Ghana we dey train ma to am. Tomo pa mo nya on person mo ye. Am e bere.
Wamu no bemu mababa.
We say like
Me pa cho pepe. Mem ma ko for we about life.
Mama be shoot from no ma shise.
Enipa no ma se
Hey, me o tu mi no. Adom no wo.
Ghana so agro hopa.
Prophet Razak.
Nanka Razak here, nanka Prophet fa ho bai. Ragati asemaba. The wa osi emuemu nanim eminem nanim e kasa no eno kra ne kume no. Razak there anka Prophet efa ho bai. Razak there anka Malam straight. All of a sudden say Razak adane Prophet a opeso wonyane ewufo eba tiasefo asase so. Enipa plane edu ma hwe ho no mo a ebi mo body ahye ebi mo tiate ye te krese ebi mo nsono akasoro ho no mo enti nipa no oba na ensono no ehe na akofa de aba begu ne yam chale mese ade ya mahama abia to mu ide se ye betensem o a se wa mo mu officer o mu mra meka o mu nsami ene se Prophet Razak akwa ase ho no mo a te se wotimu se dabi se me ya believe say ensem a science approve na yampa enipa dodo na mo ya mihu ne ma God is telling me stuff no nyina e ya adwene mo yare because we the Adams complete
awura mi nipa duam sa so den senkyerene nam enti nipa na nyame asoma ne se wo mra Independence Square ho na nkobabe na mu jenge mo hwe nipa na bodam obetimi di bibi kura bompanfo na wo mo ne nam ho no oso ye prophet na mu tie nu na media fo no anya dage eso no so nipa no mo hwe na nim kura tun sa na dwene nya adwuma or mental problem producer boy yini enko bon voice no ma enko.
Not here to weep with the bereaved family or Ghanaians, but I am only here as a servant of the Lord. If only the family and the people of Ghana will allow me, I'll make sure that I'll bring these people back to life. Yes, that is my mission here and nothing else here. Actually, I never say, who are there different? And I will force here then. Who are they different? The apostle who and maybe be a sword a free penny when this na apostle yen say yes the one for poor na mobi na sad dem me obi for that na me dem me na me gina no say me black me say white dey dem me say white ni say me say sanko for mu ya me no ka say am ho mu ndu ba bia eti me ka kire abusuafo a o ma hia and the Ghana for my day. I say, so I'm an opportunity now. Sanko for Memo back like my name is Prophet Razak. Yeah.
Ghana for now say, my year ready. Yaman opportunity. Sanko for Memo masamba life. Mem yen kusiyo. Sa asma me kase Ghana we dey train ma to am. Tomo pa mo nya on person mo ye. Am e bere.
Profo yi ade. Ka 37 ka ogina ho. Ka gina komfo anochi. Eyi nkrofo pie ka gina ho nyane nkrofo concert sa wabodam ubekom na tuoche no no de akwakobo panyini bi yesi o ye koye yie no nipa na bodam enti o start kasa na na se security fo na kasa mu nsa kwa na adwene nya adwuma
o se dey my year ready
opportunity bay
Sanko for Memo masamba.
ah
Mem yen kusiyo. Sa asma me kase Ghana we dey train.
akwa mu jinsi na adwene adwuma
Am e bere.
also be nyane hwan nipa no ma se na obibia
Me pa cho pepe. Me ma ko for we about life.
Mama be shoot from no ma shise.
o ma tete no
Me o tu mi no. Adom no wo.
Your brother,
ah
Prophet Razak.
hey na we mu nyina wo Ghana ha bi o say a friend of Prophet Razak. Bro, are you sure say o mental the health serious there? O ya sure say adwen no e bi touch here. Na sorry wo hemfa, munim na sorry amon tag me comment section wonum. Because a year nyina obi a hye tuntum no kon wa hye fitaa.
meti me fie so kra ma se tuntum wo a wakọ ya sase fita wo ya sure say adwen no bibia ya okay ana opese wo trende o pe trend aka kire nipa o ma ba hwe from atete yes say o magu sakim bottom kra do makokra no omo nankasa ane yesesa di gu bottom de koye o be ka kire ye say ye ma okwan ne konya ne wo mo dabi we mu de o matete o ka se onya no ma bebre mesere mo mfa ne kwam okire mfa ne mra kuma ase living waters mo kire bu ase ebi ma wu fresh a omo de o man tete o man se omo de omo body ne da honom fresh de omo hia ye mframa omo home mframa ngom no mo nsore mo sankrofo mu ka ho bi na ye di Ghana sofo atemo adi no azanta na sofo ebi nie nipa egu mo kire watime nya no mu nyina wie make us a credit because o ma mi ana papa kura wu ana wo fa bi ana onua bi ewu utimi nya ne no wonya ho akwa na me say akwa we say mediatory na Ghana national security ese mo kofa no ana mo fa ne nko you know psychiatric baby adwen mu omo hwe adwen mu no ne nko hwe na adwen bi ko I don't think say na adwen ya adwuma oti ase se huna akwa ya ni abra ya ti ni so obegina na ya concert na enya mo ye nuanu bloggers ye jae de epedi ebedi we ya de be interview akwa wi aha Ghana Plus TV na no first time video na plus button so share this video so be afofro bi ma hwe montage me se na so le bi o waso dan bi o han mo ana se na adwen nye na wonim no na sa adwen nya mo ma hu comment section o bi ana adwen na aka because enkan ya mnyi ni se nipa da sane a wa adwen ye adwuma bi aba be gina abeka sa nze hunu wesi a kire u pe nipa nyane a komo kire mortuary omo de omo nse omo ti omo bibia body nda wa de omo pe ye mframa pe ko hu mframa go mu no mo sorry samanle
the Prophet Razak enquire kete kura. If you want to resurrect them, it's not too late. You are closer to that place, ama. There be a wujine e wa na wo ka asemi na kwa boru ni penim so te ase so person yan usu na me to me wo so amedi I will not doubt it because na me from na me ni ho aden na nkrofo de hye ahwere omo nkwa na omo su omo de hye in peace na wakwa akugina hokodi omo ho fe ade na mudi nyamedi the painful part na say mo bo nyamedi aka asam kra ehu ntomoso ayam hihye ntomoso you just say it because mo otio bi o mitrim say nyame to ne boa won to ne ntem to ne ntem pa na hu na nipa da se ne ye hu e de asemwa
hwe ye ni abro mate say Prophet Razak bi say ye man a chance na obetimi anyane gallant soldiers ya ene yesi omu ye ni abro muntie
na say my ye ready ye ma me opportunity sanko foi me mama samba life mem ye nkusio sa asma me kase Ghana me dey hire ma to so mo pa mo nya peso mo ye amebere so mo tu
Razak ye ni abre pa o omo mahye aye enso no enye se wawu se wawu nipa duane da ho na okwako nyane no wawu aye enso ayi enaka no kofe na mu hu no enso na gumu nye nipa na demo abi keni abre pa mesro see I the for mu bre ya mo pick him up
Dada Razak enkasamre Ghana phone jinja mi Judy so betimi enya ni the big me but omuji you omushi still na betimi akika bo manya but me Judy na onje me papa wo me so papa mo papa the one sure that fish fridge ye fani nya test because me kra no mo say me na me re ma de me so me innocent intin go nya na e exam no wa pudding Dada Razak hey Ghana, say bedroom. Lazarus. But you may try to pray. That's. Say ya was so say ya na happy. Then Crawford block you. Then Crawford who are told them one I has. Hey, I'm trending no. Also, and you say ya. Prophet, and you say ya na wo hwehwe. Say bloggers be blog you. Now trend, say ya. Nyame ahini na be na mo sakra mo adwen. What?
my ye ready ye ma me opportunity sanko foi me mama samba life mem yen kusio sa asma de kase Ghana we dey try ma to mo pa mo yan person mo ye am e bere ti me da Yesu as
we say like me
pa cho be pepe me ma ko fu ya about life
ma be shoot from no ma shise
me pa cho me o tu me no adom no ho
your friend
your friend Prophet Razak
Prophet Razak
to me ready to say me do say
yeah, Moses nkasa na nyame ani munyam enye kese wate nyame na ni munyam ni nsha ni tumi no enye kese adana some of the prophets enye omunyina adana mukasa sa sabri ya ujina we ya okasa ya ma wakonya we kra de ogbenya akonya because o ben bia adaka ni sisi no na kwa me ya announcement president why because obia yere ne mma ne maame mu wo ha omo pensenkyene ne bi se boom omo tom ne ye da ye so na nka wa kwadwo pa cha prophet so obetimi aye ntimo mmema na kwanya no mo beja mo bekasa saa ya na mo refi bebia wugina no refi o ye munnimu ane se ye bekasa ne ya gi ye din trending kwa na eye asofo binom prophet binom de e de no awrahu se mwasi na nipa esu o made hia akogina ho yesi
my ready ye ma me opportunity sanko fo e me mama samba
hey osado osden are you ready we had that one Moses wo onya da kan Moses wo na kono konya wene are you ready won wuton papa are you ready we had that one Moses wo nse wona na ekunya wona enwu da serious awon no bi nya serious on kasa wo hu a ne papa mi ni eyi nti eyi ne 100 no de gen wona e 100 a iye wa so ready all kasa nti wo fe ni serious every time for kwapa watch no kono ko show wutin na hwehwe shibi kono ko gwana kwada are you ready so na abedi
ubeza achira wajin amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Media Accra.